Bambo Nature is the environment-friendly diaper. It's dermatologically tested and very gentle to your baby's skin. Bambo Nature is super absorbent and has a unique top dry system. It's thinner than ever before and provides a comfortable, perfect fit. Bambo Nature takes care of your child.
Bambo Nature 纸尿裤是天然环保的纸尿裤，权威机构皮肤测试证明，我们的纸尿裤无刺激、防过敏，温柔呵护宝贝的娇嫩肌肤，超强吸收力，独特的干爽锁水系统，迅速吸收不回渗，持久保持干爽，全新超薄升级，宝宝穿着舒适轻巧，完美贴身。Bambo Nature， 一心一意为您最爱的宝贝。